subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has launched its new mid-range phone under K series in China called Oppo K9 with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo K9 features a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and up to 180Hz touch sampling rate. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 768G chipset paired with Adreno 620 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of onboard storage. In terms of camera, the Oppo K9 supports a triple camera setup on the rear and a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses a 64MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has an 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 4300 mAh battery that supports 65W fast charging. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on ColorOS 11.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with 3D liquid cooling system that helps to maintain the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.1 by 73.4 by 7.9mm and it weighs around 172 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo K9 5G has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,899 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2,199 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in black and gradient color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from May 11th. So what do you guys think of this Oppo K9 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.